Hi there, my friends. It's Snake Cube Master here, and I'm really happy to let you know that my channel have crossed 136 subscribers. I'm really happy about this. This means a lot to me. So, please subscribe this channel if you are not subscribed yet, and click the bell icon for our latest videos. I wish we get 200 subscribers as fast as possible. So I'm thanking everyone who has supported me through this journey. It's been very nice. So that's all. Thank you so much. So today, as it's a special video, I'm going to show the type 3 of mobile stand. So this is the type 3 of mobile stand. So in this video we are gonna do the same pattern as we used for mobile stand type 1 and 2. So we have to take the second piece and turn it like this. See? Then you have to take this piece and turn it like so. Then we have to do the same in the other side also. You have to take this piece and turn it like this, then this piece and turn it like this. Then after this we have to take the middle of the snake cube and turn it around like this, then this piece like this piece like this. So you get it like this. Then we have to take this piece here. You can count from 1 2 3 4 5, the fifth piece, and turn it like this. You have to take the fifth piece from here also. 1 2 3 4 5. We get it like this. Then this piece like this, then this piece like this, and then we have to take this piece like this, then this piece like this. So we have done the same thing which we did for mobile stand type 1. Now here's the change which is gonna come. You have to take this piece here and turn it like this. So then we take this piece also here, turn it like this. So we get it like this. And then we have to take our phone and place it in between. It might not look so well in the back, but it's very good and steady in the front. As you can see, this is how it looks from the front. So see, it's very good. So I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for our latest videos. Plus like this video and comment below if you have any suggestions for this channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.